Hey, y'all, day 2 in India, and let me tell you, I think I found the SPCest spot on earth.
Bruh, I don't even know what half this is, but that right there look like flavor explosions waiting to happen. Okay, a little seasoning, little magic dust. Hold up, wait, that cloud coming in straight for me.
H. Oh, nah, y'all saw that.
Man, I just turned this place into a salad tornado.
Bruh, the whole block laughing at me like I just lost a WWE match to a spice rack.
Hey, they trying to make it up to me? Or they trying to send me back sneezing again? I can't tell.
Okay, this worth the sneeze, worth the crowd, worth the spice tornado. India, y'all wild, and I'm coming back for round 2.